Alright, so this is my initial bias. As you can tell, it's literally just 1 minute, actually less than a full minute from New York opening, which in New York opening is at 6:30. Again, you can see a clock top right, bottom right, whatever you prefer. I want to see it reject off of here and basically come at least to down here, the 52,645. So let's see. I'm only going to take an order if it can reject this and if I can see a wick. If it goes much higher in the zone, I don't want to see anything. It's pretty scary. I have not yet entered because it broke that. I'm gonna enter right here actually. 978. I'm in drawdown. And I'm gonna get stopped out. If it goes above those wicks to the top left, I'm out. I'm gonna give it a second, I'm still in. Damn, dude, what the fuck? Can we just drop? Holy shit. I'm gonna have to... So my entry 798. That was a massive. I'm gonna have to close it out here. Holy shit, I'm in like 80 points drawdown. She's gonna drop right here, I just know it. So many times to get out. Okay, that's looking so much better. 58 points in drawdown. Again, guys, this is not what good trading looks like. I'm gonna post this because this. Yes, 20, 18 points. My entry is literally right here. We're in good territory. We're in good territory. Can we just get a push down? Let's see what happens here if we push above this area again. There's just no reason for me to stay in it. That's my little confirmation. I mean, I already got a few confirmations. I should have closed the trade, but I can very much respect this. 798. She's gonna dump, alright. She's gonna dump, alright. She's gonna dump, alright. Alright, I'm $2, $6 in profit. I just want to see it come down here. Can we get a 640? $2, $6 in profit. I just needed a flush. She's right on my entry. $6 back in drawdown. She's right there, hovering on my entry. Flush that bitch. Flush that bitch, yo. $20 back in drawdown. $7, $15 in profit. It seems like she's holding something here. That's kind of what's scaring me. Let's see. I'm back in drawdown. This is a good losing territory if I must. She, okay, so she wicked literally right here. And I just got a really an early entry, that's all. I want to see a flush. Trading my fresh new small account, so that was a shitty fucking trade. That was actually a good trade. I just fumbled it so hard. Still in the trade, $23, $30, 32. Can we get 50 for the small account on the first day? Push this shit, $22, $23. Oh shit, I'm back in drawdown. So why is it holding over here? No. I wanted to see it come down from that area. She's gotta drop. I just think she's retesting this area a lot. Basically my blue line. I mean, at 52,769. And then when she's gonna drop like a rock. Just give it a few seconds. I'm $20, $15 in the money. Just drop. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. So my entry again. This is the longest trade ever. That's how I know mentally I'm risking too much for my mental. I want to be a little bit stubborn with this trade. I mean, when you get in a trade, you should always believe in your setup. And I still want to see it flush at least to close to the double bottoms of New York session. $6. I mean, win or lose $20 here and there, it's not really gonna affect me, you know what I mean? But there's absolutely no reason why we shouldn't be beating this. I mean, we should be coming at least to the 679 to 640 zone. Still in this trade, guys. It's a very long trade from me. If we can get it here, that's good. If not, I'm probably just gonna have to call it. Otherwise, I can get chopped up. Let's see. We're getting some bearish momentum. I'm actually getting scared. Like, what if she just shoots up now? So how far is my entry? My entry from up here, from my initial bias, 20 points. $15 in drawdown. When you trade stupid, you gotta bear consequences, you know what I mean? Back in profit. Actually, she's right on my entry. $2, $5. I just want to see a flush, bro. How hard is it? I don't see you pushing up, to be brutally honest. I mean, you came all the way up and then you came down. You obviously have to give a lot lower. Go a lot lower. Okay, here we go. $25. Just tank it. This is where you're gonna tank it. If not, I'm gonna have to kind of just close manually. these are the type of videos that people, especially me, will get shit talked a lot. But it's okay because you know what? I'm here to show you guys. Like, I mean, this was one of the more unfortunate trades of probably this month thus far. But it happens, you know? It happens. And this trade, I could have lost a lot of money. I could close out for small money. My RR is negative. Just so many things that's on my mental. And I'm still deciding at the end of the day, I want to fight for it. I want to fight this trade a little bit. Because now I get what's happening. Or at least I feel like I get what's happening. So I'm $22 in drawdown. Again, I just don't want to see it go past that blue line. If it kind of happens, it happens. But honestly, I'm not super, you know, upset. Because at the end of the day, losing 25, even losing $30 is a lot better than losing like 100. You know what I mean? Get down on it. Plus, there's a small account, so I'm fine, brother. First day on the small account, though, that's what sucks. So I'm literally just $2 in drawdown. Negative $5. Right on my entry. I'm getting real impatient at this point. And the money. Let me adjust my stop loss, trail it. $28, $30. Let's see. 40, 45. All right, I'm just gonna close that. So $41 after commissions, $40.80. The count is at 253.08. And I'm legit game back. Thank you, man. So I want to try to record this just so you guys can see it, right? Whether I take a trade, whether I take a loss, whether I look, she's still dropping. That's fine, but I was way too patient for a trade. Here, I can show you guys this. Let me create a new post. Alright, so day. Hey, look at this. I think she literally close enough. Yeah, I just knew that once we basically got below that wick, I was like, there's a good chance she's so wicky, dude. I mean, look, if I just show you guys in a 1 minute time frame, I was stuck in that. Dude, at one point I was fucking down 90 points. 87 to be exact. That is not good. No bueno. Day one of this account. Honestly, I am trying some new things. So today, I don't want to show that. Wait, if I so if I just screenshot this, I'm just trying to copy and paste it here for you guys so you guys can see it. So this is what that looks like. I mean, you could tell that was an 11-minute trade. I want to try to take screenshots like this. That way you can see 16:30. That's 6:30 for me. Literally open I took that sell off of market opening. Honestly, I felt like I took a really late sell. Again, we'll talk about it. Just let me post this real quick, please. Because this is the type of accountability that I want to do, and I want you guys to, see it too. Um, so copy and delete. So there you go. That's day one. Um, that's pretty rough, to be honest. The fact that I almost blew up that account. But let's talk about what I saw now, right? So, okay, let's do this. Um, Came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. We're testing basically this area, and then when we retested again, we finally dropped, came up. We're curling our way back up. I wanted to see it hold over here. Now, if I just break this down to the 1 minute time frame, you literally see this 629 wick, right? 630, she literally came above exactly where I wanted to see her hold, and next thing you know, she was actually holding that area, and she already took a dump by 20 minutes. So, I mean, 20 points. So, I followed my rules exactly to how I wanted and what I wanted to see. It's just literally when that happened, and you could literally see it because it's doing it all over again, just live. See, this is literally what it looks like. I wanted to see it hold over here. You see, so I kind of got bamboozled, but I mean, kind of tricked. But honestly, I know better because looking to the left, we had no confirmations, and that's what was kind of giving me the icks. And I was like, I remember yesterday we held right here so clearly, so I know this is this was ideally the setup I wanted to see. Basically, don't get me wrong, that was 31 points of a stop loss. However, I extended my stop loss. I broke my rules by extending like that, right? So, I mean, really from resistance to stop loss was 61 points, plus you add another 20 points because my entry was down there. Now we have it's basically this, like right here, right? So I mean, at one point I was down at $87 at the most. So I mean, as much as I feel pressure to take that trade, I just don't see that trade panning out. Or maybe if it does, then it is what it is. Um, I mean, I'm feeling real pressure to take it now, but just this trade, the first trade really made me work my ass off for it. So it's like, why would I want to risk jumping in again? It's a very choppy day. It's a very news filled day. I mean, if I were to enter, I would already be in drawdown, you can tell. Unless she drops here, which kind of looks like it now. Yep, it keeps shooting up. It literally just gave me scarring me from that first trade. Usually my trades are never that long to begin with, so 11 minutes holding it. It's if that was on my main account, my big account, that'd be insane pressure on my mental. Every time she quits a lower low, she retraces, so that just fucks with your mental. But again, had I looked to the left, had I at least used my brain a little bit more, and we all make these mistakes, but this was a perfect resistance yesterday. I knew that. We literally retested it. My perfect entry. I should have used a sell stop. I should have trailed it somewhere over here. So when the order gets filled, look, she just tanks. So that was a lot easier of a money. Don't get me wrong. Profit wise, I'd be roughly right here either way it goes. So look, if you wanna keep an eye on my journal, my trades. I mean, other people's trades as well. It's honestly one of the best things that this Discord offers. So, um, nah, this bitch is dropping. It's crazy. Sometimes she takes a fucking minute, but she eventually does drop. But anyways, guys, this is literally me done trading. I'm not gonna take anything else. So, peace, love, and cheers. Thank you.